original motherfucker from the land where they came up and made them stacks. Never was warm in the city, so I had to get on the record and come blaze these tracks.
This is a real rapper's theme music. Bitch, sing to it. This how you cook up some dope with no powder. Don't turn on that stove, just turn this shit up louder. Black Eddie Bauer, mask on my face like I'm ready to take what is yours cause it's ours. Y'all stole my style, I shit on you like bowels and take all your princesses, bitch, I am Bowser. Fuck superpowers, I got this weed. Gun on my hip, dog, that's all that I need. I don't play games, man, I'm not in no league. And I don't drop no names, but bitch, I am from Cleveland. Let it down, someone tell Britney we did it again. I heard Pooh Gutter acquitted again. And my bank account holding 6 digits again. Pull out some hand, this for the ones who ain't make it. This for the ones who ain't make it. Focus your lens, point it at me and see greatness. Point it at me and see greatness. Ray need a Benz, Dub need a all black Mercedes. Tezo need all white, he racist. But homie, I'm saying, I need a penthouse that's vacant. A-rap money, salam alaikum, the beast is awakened. Pick up your shot, my bitch is a murderer. She got a body, she got that brain. Summa cum laude, my city the jungle. Don't take that safari, it's lions, it's tigers. Gangsta disciples, lords, Judas and shakes and them rifles. Whores who swear that they live by the Bible. When friends who think they deserve more than entitled. And that's why I'm out of the ghetto, away from the mornings with snow and that shovel. Up out of this level, I'm trying to be number one, why would I settle? Gone to the new world, no Pinto, no Nino, no Santa Maria. Still keep it hood with my peers, sipping Carlos Rossi Sangria.
Drinking my cup, working my wrist, I be spanking my slut.
Juggle my nuts, use your 2 hands while I juggle these fucks. But that zero, it's none. My hands busy holding middle fingers up. I don't do 2 things, that's love and it's trust. And I don't hate y'all, I'm just fucking with us. And that's where the Nipsey, my hustles mean I can sell best to Ken Griffey. I'm like Lionel Richie, my fans have me touring till 2050. This cycle is evil, this verse is for Tino on top of my people. And fuck all these fakers, can't wait till you back on your feet, the streets need you.
Up out of the ghetto, away from the mornings with snow and that shovel. Up out of this level, I'm trying to be number one, why would I settle? Gone to the new world, no Pinto, no Nino, no Santa Maria. And I still keep it hood with my peers, sipping Carlos Rossi Sangria. Kells.
La 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 la, la 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 la, oh.